Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make M&M cookies. It's my first time going to make these. I'm going to show you the recipe. M&Ms, oops, milk, we got baking soda, we got cinnamon. We got one of favourites, and we got flour, sugar. We got this sugar, and I think we got another sugar. We got 2 eggs. So let's get. So what part's soft?
Yeah,
that's soft.
Yeah, but just cut it all up, and you need 300 grams. So you've got to cut it up and put it in that butter. Cut it up small. Don't you cut it up on the plastic? Yeah, cut it up real small. Put it in there. Turn it off now?
Yeah. 1 cup. I'm just going to do it either. Oh. Oh. Whoop. Whoops. Made a mess. So that one. One. I made a mess. Mix, mix, mix. Oops. I'm not very good at this.
Well, you want to have you got it? You want to?
Whoops.
Turn it off.
Squish it.
Yeah, just move on, clean up this mess. So take it over, set off. There we go, we've cleaned it.
Woohoo! At last.
Yep.
We got tied in the end.
Yep. I should use a beater, but I haven't got a
No.
beater, so we'll just use it the old-fashioned way, elbow grease with the fork. Oh, made a mess, Veronica.
Pardon me. Crack 2 eggs.
Yep.
In here?
Yep.
Crack. Yep.
Okay, it's okay.
Bloop. Oh, it goes. Plop.
Okay, and now you need 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
So I used the black one?
Yes.
Two.
Yes.
1.
Okay, then mix that together.
What should I use?
Just the fork for the time being.
Oh, the fork.
Just mix that together. And once it's mixed together, put it in with the that mixture there.
Is that mixed together?
Yep, it is. Okay. Now mix it all into that. Yep. Made a mess. Okay, now mix that all together. Just
Jeez, Mum. You and your mess.
Yep.
Ooh. 4 cups of flour.
Just cut there.
Okay. 3 cups or 1 cup?
Yep, that's right. Don't level it off.
Put that out of the way.
Made a mess.
Who? Where?
Yeah, never mind.
Boo-hoo!
Okay, is it levelled off? Yeah, we'll use that spoon to level it off.
One.
Yep.
Two.
Yep.
1 more. Three.
Okay, now you need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
Ooh.
That black one. Yep.
1. Okay.
1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
So 1. It's all the same with the black.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, but maybe. Oh, yeah. 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
That's used the same.
Yeah. Okay, now you sift that. And don't make a mess, just do it slowly.
I love making a mess.
I know, there's a mess on the bench. Okay, should we turn it off?
Yeah. I just go to stop up top.
Where?
Cup at a time, eh?
Yeah.
Just go like that.
Yeah.
Just plink it.
And just mix that in.
Oh, I just. Look at this mess.
Yeah, fold it, yeah. So we're folding the flour in. Making a mess as well.
So I'm the only one.
So we're bringing it all up from the bottom and turning it to the top.
Oh, pardon me. Okay, milk. Milk, milk, milk.
Okay, mix that in. Oh, made a mess. Fold it, fold it, fold it. Perfect. Fold them all together. Moving on.
Oh.
Oh, did you have some?
Only one.
Another cup. Oh, you want to mix that in? Oh, no. Okay, now mix that in. Maybe fold.
I think that. Yeah, I think I should get you doing this one. I'm dropping my peanuts.
Drop your balls.
Yeah. Ugh.
Yeah, not roll them into balls.
Balls.
Yeah.
Mum.
Oh, sorry. Let's go here. Yeah. Okay.
Oops. Those aren't anymore. Don't want to have a couple in there. 3.
That's all right. Not nearly enough. Turn it off.
Yeah. Oops.
Go this way.
Yeah. Oh, that one looks a bit too big.
Oh, well, hang on. Move them over too, because you've got to get lots on.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, that is a bit big, but never mind.
Huh?
It'll be all right. Right. You want to wet your hands. Yeah.
Hey guys,
You can sit on the seat.
you guys want to try this recipe. The link down in the description below. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.
But we've got to cook